So I'm just crossing over to Fort Cochin from on the island. So we're about to cross over here in the car, and we have to buy a ticket from here, and the ticket costs 50 rupees. So lots of people lined up here. I just burnt myself on the exhaust pipe of a bike trying to get through a crowd of bikes. Just to warn you guys, they're really, really hot if you're ever walking. So here's everyone lining up to go across the river. We're parked over here. Got my ticket. So if you ever come here with your car, you have to buy your ticket in advance of traveling. Very important. So as you can see, there's a big, that queue goes right around the block. Yeah, like I said, when I was going through these bikes to get through, it was so crowded. I've actually burnt my leg on a tailpipe of a bike, and it was absolutely scalding. So I'm hoping my leg won't be blistering up. We'll see you on the ferry. Okay, this is what we're going on. This is the ferry. We didn't get on the first one, unfortunately. Not going now. Well, I've tried some spicy peanuts. We missed the first one, which was 15 minutes wait. Now it's a 20-minute wait. Got my ticket. It blew away in the wind in the car. We couldn't find it. So small. Look how small it is. Look, little ticket. You got to keep a hold of it. So it's 50 rupees to get your car across the ferry to Fort Kochi. But it's a wait. You got to wait a long time to go. So if you come, be prepared to wait and buy your ticket. Don't just go on and expect to be going across. They might charge you 500 rupees. So you have to get your ticket over there. Over, where is it? There, I think there, that little hut. So you have to be patient to take the ferry across with your car. Just a little insight to the state of the litter here. It's not that great, so you got to be careful what you fall into. I think some of that must be washed up from the water or something, but generally Cochin's quite nice, quite clean. But yeah, so there we are in the queue waiting to get on, and probably another 10 minutes. Here's an interesting thing. Dani, who's with us, had to go to the toilet. There's no toilets anywhere. You don't get public toilets generally in India. You have to go to hotels, and you have to find out, you know, if the hotel can let you use the toilet. So we had to go here, buy a ticket to Cochin from here. I'm not actually sure where we are, but we're the other side of the island basically. But it cost 20 rupees to buy a ticket to Cochin, so we could, so Dani could use the toilet. So fortunately, we could use the toilet. But that's another thing. You never quite know where the next toilet is. So on the one hand, you gotta drink a lot of water. On the other hand, there's not a lot of places to get rid of that water, if you know what I mean.
Ferry is here.
What an unbelievable peak. People waiting to get on a ferry. I think you just go on the front.
Right, they don't turn it up.
It's empty. I just hope they don't let all the two-wheelers go and leave us.
And what's this?
It has arrived, and we are ready to get on.
Yay!
After such a long wait. Okay, it looks like you can get out of your car if you're a driver on the ferry because the auto is parked smack bang next to me. So unless I crawl out the passenger side, I'm going to be in the car. So we have to keep our engine running. Might annoy all you net zero freaks people. I mean, yeah, but we have to keep our engine running and stay in the car. However, if you wanted to go outside the passenger side, you can.
But it's wet on the floor.
But it's wet on the floor.
Alright, I'm going to give you one.
There are people just sitting as well. Oh, it's starting to move, which is a funny feeling. The car is moving underneath me. The things are moving. The car is not running. The car is running. The car's engine's running and something's rumbling underneath. It's a very funny feeling.
Actually, the car engine is not running.
My spidey senses are going weird.
Well, this is how we crossed from England to France, remember? We've been on the, what is it called? Euro tunnel.
Yeah, this is how we crossed from England to France, but we managed to get out of our car and have a walk around. This is not looking like we can because it's very muddy on the side, and it's probably safer just to be inside.
Yeah, even the two-wheelers are, two-wheeler drivers are sitting on their bikes.
Yeah, so have a look behind us. That's what you're looking at. That's what you're looking at.
Look,
That's what you're looking at.
we're moving.
See you on the other side. Okay, we are now coming off the ferry. Can you just hold that? Just stay like that. Thank you. Just get this not to be exact. We're coming off the ferry now. And we've got to be careful of people walking in front of the car. That's it. Everyone's coming off now. Look, everyone's coming off. People coming on. Sea of people everywhere. And cars and autos, handbags, carrots. Oh, that's it. Carrots. Oh. That's it. Left to Amarafathi or River Road to the right.
I actually don't know shortcut anyway. It's Fort Kochi, we'll figure out.
What's that? Where would you prefer to go?
We have to go eat, don't we?
Left?
Turn right, right.
Days, just because I picked left.
Yeah, I noticed that. I saw that, I noticed that, so I decided right.
No, I meant fate, not you. Fate, not you.
Miss Fate.
Fate.
Is she around?
Sod's law, they call it.
Murphy's Law.
The law of the sod.
We once came here and we saw the
Okay, we just arrived off the ferry. This is what we get. This is Fort Kochi. This is even more people walking in front of the car this time, but more well dressed. Right. Left.
The old colonial place.
There's a guy behind us with a big golden thing on the front of this car. What does that mean? What does that mean?
I'm not looking at that. We need to turn right somewhere close by.
We just need to find them.
Okay, so we just arrived off the ferry, and this is what we get. This is Fort Kochi. This is even more people walking in front of the car this time, but they look more well dressed. Right. Oh, we made it. We made it off the ferry into the touristy area where we're going to sit and have a meal. What?
It's a perfume tissue.
A perfume tissue?
Yeah, I can smell it.
Oh, so I have to have it?
No, put it in your pocket.
I don't know. Okay, give it to me.
Put it in your pocket.
Okay, so we're gonna have lunch now. So we made our way to Jewtown, the ancient Jewish settlement in Kochi, Kerala. Jewtown. Ooh. Nice smell of leather there. So the history of Jewtown, I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm sure my wife will fill you in. But here we are. Took a drive, got the ferry across the river into Fort Kochi. Now we are in Jewtown.
Watching Shayana.
I got one like that at home.
Souvenir shopping, of course.
Santa Fe. And we've got one like this at home.
In London.
We did. We used to. I think we sold it at Karbutza.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're going to the synagogue, I believe, are we? Yes, the synagogue in Jewtown. Synagogue in Jewtown. This is the main strip of. What's this road called? Is there a name for this road? The road that leads to the synagogue? Synagogue what? Synagogue line. Lane. Synagogue Lane. Here we are, Synagogue Lane. Sarah Cohen's home. Oh, look at that. Sarah Cohen. I think there's some history there. Sarah Cohen. Dani might know. Here's Sarah Cohen's home, very well known.
She is from one of the main 12 families, one of the tribe member of the 12 tribes of Judah. No, you know?
Tribes of Judah?
No, whose sons?
I don't know.
Jacob's sons.
I don't know.
She's
You're
one of
filming okay? It's okay filming? Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
This is part of history.
Sarah Cohen, part of history. In honor of Sarah Cohen, this is
Did we get Johan a kipper?
the king. Now he's the king of England. He come and met her. He came and met her.
In 2013.
2013. She was very famous. Yeah? Very famous. Jewish lady.
Yeah,
She used to work here?
she was born here.
Born in this house?
No, okay, sir. This is a husband home. This is a husband home.
Husband home.
That's you.
Oh, this was her husband's home. Ah.
How much are the kippers?
We got 800. This is 1,001. Yeah.
Looks a bit like Peter Sellers. That's it. What are these, Dani?
What?
These hats.
The house.
Kippers. K-I-P-P-U-R.
Yom Kippur. That's the same thing. Same word.
Kipper means head. So
Oh.
The
yeah.
hats.
Okay. Does your dad wear them?
Not anymore really.
Yom Kippur is not started.
Interesting.
Yom Kippur is not started.
No.
It's
September.
on September.
Yes,
Aha. Okay, so some history here. That must be something.
This is bedroom.
I don't know.
Must be the bedroom.
Cliff Richard and the Shadows. A 45 RPM. Look at that. This must be some of her things here. Look. That's some of her letters. Shalom. This must be some photographs of her. In 2019. Look, that's not too long ago, guys. Old phone here, look. Her actual glasses are there, look. I think she was famous seamstress. This sounds like she stitched a lot.
Oh, I wish it could be more international. That's the way everyone could live. That would be so lovely.
And this is how this is a strong, you can see here. That's a marriage certificate. And this is a wedding. This is a 25th. And this is a 50th golden jubilee. And one more thing, she's a Christian. She's a maid and she's a part of the family. After my father mother go to home, then she look after Sarah Cohen and also
That's lovely.
because here are Muslim, Christian, Jew are all together.
That's so lovely. I just pray that we could all live like that.
What's that behind you? Behind you. Yeah.
That's where they do the embroidery.
It's a kind of moon thing, isn't it?
Ah.
There, after the independence, the whole moved to Israel.
Yeah.
Some of the lives here, some of the families were
Yeah.
little. It's one of the families, Sarah Cohen. And
So when
other
the
Jews.
persecution come, all the Jews, all the 12 tribes had to leave Israel because they were not allowed to. They were killed.
First,
Oh, they were migrants. like the
Malabari
ones that-
Jewish, but Malabari means black Jew.
Yeah.
They came 2000 or 1000 years ago. They were settled there first. And then finally, the white Jew.
So,
Actually, that white is Malabar, like Parideshi. White means Parideshi.
okay. That's why Paradeshi synagogue.
Yeah. Here's a three synagogues earlier.
Okay.
This one opposite and was a earlier synagogue.
Okay.
They destroyed in 1945, 47. They ran them back to Israel. One is over there. There's small substances. They're keeping the building same like that. You can see over there.